Good morning. We are headed to the shop. As you saw in some of those clips, it is freaking windy. So we're gonna get some stuff done here at the shop, and then just kind of see where the day goes. We've got some exciting things going on later, but we'll start with getting hopefully getting this Mule 610 finished up, buttoned up, and ready to roll out for the customer. Let's get to it. You see this right here, this mechanism, it locks into these up here. Well, when you pull the cable, which is, we got the dash pulled back right here, it doesn't move this like it should. So what we're gonna do is replace that cable. I didn't want to fight with trying to lube it up or anything like that because I don't think it's gonna work anyways. But we're gonna start with that. I got the new cable right here. Actually, I want to open this up because I don't even know. Might be not the right style or something. My luck. No, that looks exactly like what is in there, I hope. But we're gonna start with that. Do that first, and then see where the day leads. Okay, so it's taken me a minute, but I'll show you where I've gotten so far. This cable is hooked up right here. You can see the little bar goes into that eyelet down there, right there, right. Get in front of the light. Anyways, pulled this out of the bar, so it's not, the bar is not attached to anything right now. So hoping that'll give me a little bit better access. All right, so as you can see, I got it all buttoned up there. I might need to adjust it a little bit, but we're gonna actually figure that out right now. I'm gonna tighten up these screws and see what we can do. So I got everything buttoned back up here. Well, almost. I gotta get that spring back on. But I gotten it tightened up a little bit. Looks like it'll work. I'll demonstrate it once I get the dash back on. But I think we're good to go. Hopefully I don't have to pull the dash off again. It only takes a couple minutes, so it's not that big of a deal. But anyways. really need to pull this carb apart because the bowl is definitely leaking on this one. But there also might be an oil leak on it, so I'm gonna have to double check that later. But the rest of the afternoon, we need to go outside and clean my truck up. Well, I'm gonna take a little break. We're gonna go pick up a puppy, so I'll talk to you later. Got he. Oh, big stretch. Big stretch. Sweet. You ready to go to work? There's a couple more things to finish up on this. The last couple of days, I've been actually just trying to figure out this new little puppy that we got. So it's exciting, but we've got to get some work done. So here we have the brake lever, and before it would you'd push the button in, and actually you didn't even need to push the button in. You just raise it and lower it, and it didn't ever lock. So after some finagling, I got the handle off, as you can see there. It's kind of hard to see because that light is so bright. But the handle is off, and you can see kind of like the mechanism. There's a bar right there that follows all of this. Anyways, back in there, and then from here, you can't really tell, but there's a, let me see if I can shine it right. There's a pivot point right here, and it pivots this side up and down. Couldn't get this whole unit to stay like this. I've been trying it the last, an hour here and there over the last couple of days. I finally found a little bit of a solution that I think is going to hold for a good while. So where it pivots, it was just really rusty. So tried heat, tried PB Blaster. So what I did was Kawasaki SAE 10 W40. That's just what I had lying around. So anyways, stuck my deal in there like a screwdriver, and basically just kind of like got what was on the screwdriver to drip over this joint, to drip up in here to where it needed to go, up in here on these joints, a little bit in the handle. Probably the most important part was right here where this rivet is. It's actually a pin that goes through here, and worked. Boom, boom. Got a little pup here today. All right, so I think we're pretty much done here. I might wash it one more time, but I think all the leaks are fixed, the handle's fixed. Just a recap, I also did a fuel tank, carburetor. I originally had bought everything to just go through the carburetor, but I couldn't get the float to open up right every time. So I tried to clean it a bunch of times. So anyways, I end up just buying a new carburetor, and I think I might have used the same carb but a different float needle, but I had just bought a whole carb kit for that. So anyways, I think this machine's good to go. Let's wash it one more time and send her on our way. But got the gooseneck hooked up. As you can see right there, I've got me. I love that bar right there. I've got one on the truck. It's a different one, but goosenecks all hooked up. See, you can see the deck there. I'm gonna load it up tomorrow. We got to take it on a ride, deliver a machine to a customer. GoPro died, so we're on the phone tonight, but load it up, ready to go in the morning. Literally, it's frozen.